Let's compare the AILKIN car charger against the Anker car charger. So we have two different chargers here. The biggest similarity is both of these are going to plug into the accessory socket in your car. With the AILKIN, you've got two standard size USB ports on the charger. And on the Anker, you've got one standard USB and then one of these mini ports here. The biggest difference is that the AILKIN is not going to have as much power. So you can see it's listed here. It's 1 amp on the top port and 2.4 amps on the bottom port. So it'll charge your phone, charge your iPhone, but it's not going to be as fast as the Anker charger, which has up to 54 watts of charging power. And so that's a much more powerful charger. It's going to charge a lot faster. And in my experience, that's going to mean your phone is going to get from 0 up to 100 a lot quicker and stay there a lot quicker. If you're just trying to keep your phone charged up while you're driving, though, both of these are going to be a good option. Another thing to keep in mind is that you're not going to have the actual cords here. So you're going to have to supply the cord for your iPhone, your Android phone, your tablet, whatever else you're going to be charging, whether you go with the AILKIN or the Anker.